This sounds suck, just like that.
I'm gonna do that.
Hey, it's quiet. All right, open it up. Good Lord. Dude, that's a big difference.
We get the red line. The red is loud, bro.
Dang, dude, this thing is loud.
Yeah, bro.
It's pretty loud.
The stock muffler, like I can only imagine people that have the.
Like, imagine people do like Corsa setups and all that, dude. Like, I bet it's crazy. I don't know why you don't have a check engine light. Ooh, listen to those downshifts.
Yeah, I don't know why I don't have any other engine light.
Let's go put some gas in real quick.
Gotta get that E.
Nah, not yet.
Too soon.
Too soon.
The window tint.
Oh, that dude, you can't even tell.
I know it doesn't. It looks dark, but not like.
It looks dark, but honestly, you cannot tell whatsoever.
When I tell people like, "Hey, I got my window tint," he's like, "Really?" They were like,
Yeah.
"It doesn't even look like it."
God, dude, those shifts sound freaking incredible.
That's crazy because I'm not even like high at RPM.
I know, that's what's crazy.
Give me a second. Crazy, man.
All right, bro. So what is this?
So it's C7 Z06 with the Z07 package. I picked her up from Texas Hot Rides, best dealership and DFW.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but yeah, they hooked it up. They always been good to me. I had my last car from them, and they have great deals. My buddy Luis Mendez found this for me. We have been looking for a while now, and it's literally everything I wanted. It has the aero kit, carbon ceramic brakes, which are crazy good. You can barely step on it.
I think you do a front flip.
Yeah. Brakes. I got comp seats inside. Followed up by the what's it called? The Alcantara.
Yeah, it's got full Alcantara or suede. I always forget what like people call it, like different things.
Yeah.
So, dude, yeah, those comp seats are where it's at, dude.
Yeah, I freaking love it. I had to do that. I had to have it.
Yeah, like the suede's like everywhere, like all on the inside. You got that carbon dash too. That's a pretty cool option.
Yeah, that's one thing I definitely wanted. I think it looks freaking sick. Other than, I mean, the other one like with the kind of plastic dash.
Yeah.
It looks good, but I just had to have that carbon.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Man, no, it's sick, dude. Plus, like I said, you got the aero package. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I never track race or anything like that, but if you want to do it, the car will do it.
Yeah, it looks sick. So I just kind of like the looks. But yeah, like I said, I got a great deal. Car has 12,000 miles.
Dang.
Fully stocked, so I get to make it, mine. We just got the headers on.
Yeah, I got the headers on.
Sounds amazing.
It sounds crazy. So you just got headers. So what's next?
We're doing MEF kit. We're doing a MEF kit, an Aoki MEF kit. We're gonna
Nice.
do a pulley. And I already have an intake on there, a hot Helltech intake. So it's a matter of just putting on the MEF kit and the pulley and having a dyno day. I mean, get it tuned, see what.
Yeah. What do you think she'll make? Like high sixes, low sevens?
I'm hoping high sixes, low sevens will be amazing. So I mean, whatever she makes, I'm just ready for the extra power. So, yeah, and I'll be showing all that in the next video when we do the dyno. And everything.
Yeah, we'll do the dyno session for your car and with all the mods. So intake, headers. What are you gonna do? Like a 2-3 upper pulley,
Yeah, 2-3.
The alky meth kit, and dude, just spray as much meth as you can, and then eventually we'll have to do like cooling stuff too, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. So heat expansion, that's definitely on my list.
Yeah.
I'll need a tire.
Yeah, because these right now, like, what are they? They're Cup 2s,
Yeah,
which are great track tires. I mean, it might hold the power, you know, pretty good, but
yeah, I mean, it spins now. They're new, but they're just, I guess they're more track-based tire, maybe.
Right.
Maybe I gotta heat them up more, but I mean, for this power, it's okay. But I think we get into like high sixes.
right, yeah. If we can get into like the high sixes, dude, that'd be pretty badass for like minimalistic modifications, is what, you know. People don't understand, like, you don't even have to do heads cam, which I'm sure you'll do that eventually, but you know, it's crazy to say, you know, 700 horsepower with, you call it 4 or 5 modifications.
Yeah, would you call them FK bolt on? No, right?
I mean, I guess it bolts on.
Yeah,
I
well,
guess,
I mean,
right?
I mean, it's minor laws. Mevkit is too expensive, I think. So.
It's gonna be sick. I'm curious as to what it's gonna feel like, obviously in comparison to my car. So it's gonna be pretty sick, dude. I'm kind of blown away by how like freaking loud this thing is. Like, it's crazy. I thought, I mean, I didn't expect it to be like that. Like, it literally, I bet you right now. So we'll do like a little rev video or something for them. Just, you know, obviously let them know. I mean, I guess we'll let them know now. It's Kooks 2-inch headers, right?
Yeah, 2-inch and 3-inch xpipe.
Yeah, a 3-inch off-road xpipe to the stock exhaust.
Stock, yeah, that's crazy. Those people that run like Corsa exhaust.
Good lord, dude! Imagine that, dude. That's like, yeah, I can't even imagine. I mean, shoot, I've driven a whole bunch of that stuff, you know, but it blows my mind how loud that this can be. Let's do some like idle video or something, kind of give the people, you know, what it sounds like in case, you know, you're curious as to what, you know, Kooks headers sound like. Dude, it sounds like sick. Like it just bounces off like the wall and everything, dude.